How to create registration form in Google Form. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a registration form using Google Forms. It's super easy and can be done from your laptop or desktop, so let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. On the right hand side, you will see an option called Google Apps. Click on that and you will find a list of applications. Just scroll down until you see Google Forms. Go ahead and click on it. Once Google Forms open, you will see a plenty of templates available. You can choose one that fits your need, or if you prefer, click on blank option to start from the scratch. For this tutorial, let's select the blank registration form. Now, give your form a title. This could be anything you want, like event registrations or anything. Just type it in the title box. Next, you'll want to add questions for your registration form. To do this, click on the plus button to add a new questions. Feel free to add as many questions as you need and just keep hitting that plus button to add more questions, and that's it. You have successfully created registration form in Google Form. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.